And as promised, we are here by the stream. Take a little maneuvering around the rocks back here and everything. Can't see the rocks because they're hidden in the snow, but we got up here. So this was not running this past July, so it's good to see that it's running again. Very beautiful again here. I just fell down. Okay, this is good. This is definitely good. I'm sitting in snow. Oh well, this is a good enough seat. I'll just stay here for a while. Alright, I'm going to turn this off until I can get back up again.